guys, and welcome back to Tennessee Grillin and Smokin. I'm Dustin, and today we are going to be putting a reverse sear on some New York strips I just cut a while ago. Now if you missed it, I'm going to put the video right up here in the card. Check it out. Just got a half of a boneless New York strip. Went ahead and showed you how I cut it up, trimmed it just a little bit. But I went ahead and I got these steaks in the fridge. They've been marinating for about 2 hours. The marinate's just it's about 2 cups of Worcestershire, about a half a cup of soy sauce. I put some rosemary in there and some thyme in there. Now they've been sitting there for about 2 hours, so I'm going to go in there. I'm going to strain them out. We're going to get them ready. We're going to put them on the grill. We're going to do a pretty reverse sear on these things, and it's going to be delicious. Hang tight. Okay, I went ahead and I got my smoker heated up, 250 degrees. That's what we're going to start off with. And so you can see I've got them laid out right here. 2 hours is plenty enough. Took on a good color. The marinade, you can tell it worked. So what I'm going to do is I've got the Sucklebusters SPG. I'm just going to do a light coat over top of them. Press that in nice. Then I'm going to try this time. I normally would do the Sucklebusters 1836. But I'm going to try out the campfire. I've got the new the campfire steak seasoning. I haven't really tried much of it yet, so I think today will be a great day for it. So let's go ahead and give it a good coat of it. These are some good looking steaks too. I prefer a ribeye. I prefer a little bit more fat inside of them, but my wife likes the New York strips. So that's what we're going to try tonight. So we got them one side done, we're going to flip it over. Hit another light coat of SPG. Come over top with some campfire seasoning. Let's try this one out. Alright, those look great. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to let them sit here for about 10 minutes, let that rub really penetrate the meat real good, let those juices start flowing out of it. We're going to stick them on the grill. So I've got it up to 200, well, it's raised a little bit. It's about 250 degrees where we're going to start it off. We're going to put them on there till the internal temperature of these things hit about 125 degrees. We're going to pull them off. We're going to open up the sear box, put these bad boys over top of that flame, do a nice pretty reverse sear on these things, and it should be just right. So I'll see you here in a minute. Okay, guys, while I'm waiting on this rub to work, I want to show you this real quick. I got this in the mail today, and I'm really excited to use them. They seem like they're really, really great quality, real sturdy. Goliaths. You can go, I'll post their Amazon account there in my description, but they've got a massive sale going on right now. Look at that. That's going to be perfect for those smash burgers. That's going to be all right. I love them. And guys, I'm telling you, they're real sturdy, and they've got a sale going on right now. I got these for, they're got $16 or $17. I mean, for a 5-piece set, man, you can't go wrong with that. Look at that. This will just taunt me for one day when I get my Blackstone. But yeah, guys, I'm seriously, I like this a lot. I just really wanted to put this in my video, let you know. I'm going to link their Amazon page to my account, or to my description. Go check them out, man. They got an Instagram account also, Goliaths.co, or at Goliaths.co. So just give them a check them out, see what you think. And like I said, it's a great set, 5-piece set for $17. Man, worth every penny of it. Alright guys, rub's done its job. Everything looks like it's coming along real good, so I'm going to go ahead and put these things on. Let's go ahead and give it a try. There. Alright, we're going to let them sit for a little bit. Now I'm guessing maybe 30 minutes or so. And when it gets to 125, we'll come back out. Alright guys, we got the internal temperature right where we want it. Got 126 degrees. You can check right here, they're looking pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and open up the sear box, crank my temperature all the way up to high. And I'm just going to leave the door open, let it kind of kick up a little bit, let that fire start going. Then I'm going to go ahead and take those steaks for about a minute on each side, one at a time. I'm just going to get on there about a minute, flip it, go for a minute. They should be done. Alright, here we go. Let's get one on there real quick. I'm just going to leave the door open. I'm going to let it sit there for about a minute. I'm going to swip it around there on the other side for another minute. That should be good. Alright, it's been about a minute. Flip it over to that other side. Oh boy, look at that. Man, I'll tell you what, it smells great. So we're going to leave that one on for another minute. See how it comes out. Alright, check it out. Oh yeah. That looks good, guys. We're going to set it right over here. We're going to let her rest for about probably 10 minutes before we cut into these things. I'm going to finish searing up the rest of these. And I will see you on the inside when I'm about to do my favorite thing. Tell you how it tastes. Alright guys, check them out. They look great. So we are going to go ahead and cut us a piece here. They've rested for about 10 minutes. Look at that. Golly, check that out. I can cut some more out of here. That thing is just beautiful. Just as tender and juicy all the way through. That's a perfect medium rare, and I can't wait to get into it. We're going to have to go ahead and cut us off a piece here. Alright, let's go ahead. Alright, here we go. Man, that campfire seasoning is absolutely delicious. I'm telling you what, it's right up there with that 1836. It's got a real smoky, kind of a smoky flavor to it. It's got a little bit of a kick to it that I'm really enjoying. I think that's going to be one of the ones I'm going to start using more often too. I think that'll be great on a brisket or anything. So heck yeah, man, that is a good steak. So guys, I appreciate you watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and share it. And guys, I sure appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Gosh, that's good. And guys, as always, go to my description and click on the link to Greenback Designs Facebook page. Man, they do excellent work on all their products, and everything they do is handcrafted, and you can really tell by the quality of their products that they really care about everything they ship to their customers. So not only do they do just cutting boards, they make candles, serving trays, signs, and much more. So please visit their page, show them some love, and be sure to tell them the Tennessee Grillin' and Smokin' sent you.